In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a slide in Google Slides. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. If you aren't already signed in, make sure to log into your Google account so you can access your files. Once the Google homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of 9 dots. Click that to open the Apps panel. From the panel, choose Slides to open Google Slides. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the panel or click More until Slides appears. This takes you to the Slides home screen where you'll see your recent presentations. Find the presentation you want to edit and click it to open. Inside the presentation, focus on the thumbnail panel on the left side of the screen. This is the list of all your slides in order. Click the slide you want to remove so it becomes highlighted. Taking a second to confirm you've selected the correct slide is helpful, especially if your deck has similar layouts or duplicate slides. Now right-click on the selected slide. This opens a context menu with several options that apply to that slide. From this menu, click Cut. Cutting the slide removes it from your presentation immediately and places it on your clipboard. That means it's effectively deleted from this deck, but you still have the option to paste it elsewhere if you change your mind or want to move it to another presentation. It's a safe way to remove a slide while keeping a backup in your clipboard during your editing session. After you cut the slide, check the left panel to confirm it's gone and that the slide numbering updated as expected. If you accidentally remove the wrong one, don't worry. Just use the undo button at the top left or press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac to bring it back instantly. Slide saves changes automatically, so you don't need to manually save after removing the slide. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. You can select the slide and use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+X or Command+X to cut faster. If you're cleaning up multiple slides, you can select them first and then use the same right-click and cut approach to remove them all at once. And that's it. You've opened Google Slides, selected your presentation, chosen the slide you no longer need, right-clicked it, and clicked Cut to remove it cleanly and efficiently.